favorite cake parlor. In today's edition, we are going to be making strawberry cupcakes. And for this, we require the following ingredients: 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of margarine, 250 grams of sugar, a quarter cup of milk, a cup of chopped strawberries, just a pinch or quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, and juice from 2 freshly squeezed lemons. Then we are going to enhance the flavor by adding just a little bit of strawberry essence. So to start, we are going to cream our sugar and margarine. I'm going to put the margarine in the bowl. I will lightly cream it before I add the sugar so that it is soft enough to cream. Our margarine is soft enough. Now I want to add the sugar. We are going to cream it until it is white and fluffy. Our sugar and margarine are creamed, light and fluffy, and now we'll add the eggs one at a time. We are using 3 eggs. So I'm going to add them one at a time as we mix. I also want to add a little of the strawberry essence. The essence will help to elevate the taste of strawberries. So I'm going to add just like a teaspoon. It smells great. After this, we are going to add in the dry ingredients. We have the flour, the salt, and the cinnamon powder. We are going to do this, we are going to add it to the mixture 3 times as we alternate with the milk and the lemon juice. So I'll start with the flour. Milk. And at this point I want to use a metal spoon. So I will leave the machine. The metal spoon helps to retain air and makes the mixture lighter. So I'll add the next batch of flour. Now I will introduce the lemon juice. So I'll add the lemon juice. Remember, this is lemon from 2 large lemon. It looks heavy. I will add in some milk so that mixing or folding in the flour becomes much easier. So just go around and cut it in the middle like that. This ensures that you don't have some flour sticking down in the bowl. add the strawberries. I'm going to add some of it, then a little more we are going to decorate the top and before we put it in the oven. So I'm adding it last because I didn't want the strawberries to get smashed up in the mixing process. So gently I'll just fold them in so that they are dispersed in the mixture. Like that. Just add a little more. The rest I'm sparing to put on top of the cupcakes just before we bake them. And we will be baking our cupcakes at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. So our mixture is done. As you can see, the strawberries are spread nicely in the mixture. And now I want to put them in my prepared trays. So I have lined my cupcake tray with these cupcake covers, and I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop to put the mixture in the cases. This scoop helps me to have an equal quantity of every cupcake so that we don't find some are big, some are small. It's my measurement, but you could use a spoon if you do not have the ice cream scoop. So I'm just going to scoop, and in each scoop I'll ensure that there is a piece or two of my strawberry, because after all it's a strawberry cupcake. Just put them on top like that. Try to press it in the mixture so that it is not so exposed, but it will cook and the color will be beautiful. When it hits the heat, the strawberries will burst their flavors and their juices, and they will be awesome. So remember to tap so that they are even, and we're going to be baking it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes to 25, or until a skewer inserted inside comes out clean. So see you after 20 minutes.